Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can track your time on Asana. So there is no built-in method, but first you need to go to a new tab and then search for Clockify. Then click on the top link, clockify.me. So Clockify is a time tracker and the best thing about it is that it is totally for free. So now you need to sign up for free. You can create a new account with your Google account. I will go with Google. And now here you can see that I have successfully logged in. So after that you need to install Clockify extension for Chrome. And then click on the top link. You need to click on this button and then click on add to Chrome. Click on add extension and there you go. You have successfully added an extension to your browser. So once you have done that, all you need to do is go to your Asana and then click on Clockify, and here you need to click on login since you already have created an account and it has successfully logged in. And after you are done that, now you need to come to Asana and then refresh Asana. And now if you click on a to-do list or any block, you will see start timer button right here. If you click on it, you can see the task and then you can choose the project. No project, you can add tags, and once you are done, click on done. And here you can see that the timer has been started. So once you are done, you need to click on this red icon, click on stop, and there you go, your timer has been stopped. And in the list you will see all of the timers. So if you forgot to start a timer for any task, so for that you can go to your extension and then click on the settings and then click on manual. So this will allow you to enter manual time, for example 90 seconds. Click on add time, you can choose the time duration and then click on add. And there you go, you have added a manual time. So I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.